Welcome to our channel. If you want to access free trials and extended subscriptions through app referral programs, follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize referral benefits. Step 1. Research apps and services that offer referral bonuses, where both the referrer and new user receive benefits such as extended free trials, account credits, or premium feature access. Step 2. Ask friends, family members, or colleagues who already use the service you're interested in to share their personal referral code or referral link with you. Step 3. Alternatively, search online communities, social media groups, or websites dedicated to sharing referral codes, where users post codes for popular services with mutual benefits. Step 4. Visit the service's website or download their app, but before creating your account, make sure you have the referral code ready to enter during registration. Step 5. During the sign-up process, look for fields labeled Referral Code, Promo Code, or Referred By, where you can enter the code before completing your registration. Step 6. Enter the referral code exactly as provided, paying attention to case sensitivity and special characters. The system should confirm that the code is valid before you proceed. Step 7. Complete your account creation by entering your personal information and payment details as required. The referral bonus should be automatically applied to your new account. Step 8. Verify that your referral bonus has been credited by checking your account dashboard or subscription details. The bonus might appear as extended trial days, account credits, or immediate premium access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.